Going to the gym.
Alright, identify as skinny.
Diabetic, you mean?
Fiddlesticks. All these haters on TikTok who say these things about my weight. Do I even look that fat to you?
I think so.
Shh! Stand back. Stand back! Ouch! My finger! A spider! Fiddlesticks! This place is filthy! No place for my stuff. I wore the wrong shapes. I don't believe in salads! And you remind me of a salad. Did you miss me? Ouch! My ankle. Ouch! Ow, I'm spraining my fibia. Ouch! There's no room in this place. This place is not handicapped friendly. Excuse me. People, I identify as disabled. Cheaters. Why is it not going?
Because you're too fat.
Cheaters. Also, I smell like coconut oil. All right, peasants.
You're shaped like a coconut.
No one's speaking to you. And all these people who say discriminates my weight, they are rude to the disabled. Back up.
You know, just because you're morbidly obese and you're shaped like a cow doesn't mean you're disabled. You could perfectly waddle everywhere.
Job is to pick up these sticks. I'm going down like quicksand. It's broken.
You know, we're still paying Hattie for this.
These sands are just... I'm suing the sand. Why do we live in this cribbly, crusty, busty old state? No actual roads for people.
You broke it.
Hello, and welcome back to the show.
I feel like I have to make this change. Because if I don't do something, if I don't do anything, it's just going to continue. It's going to continue, and it's going to repeat the same cycle that I'm so sick of, that you're so sick of watching, that I need to make an action. I keep saying, oh, let's divorce. Oh, let's break up. And no one leaves. Orland doesn't leave. He says he wants to leave. He doesn't leave. Oh, I say it's time for me to leave. I don't leave. I feel dependent on him because I'm so overweight I can't even tie my own shoes. There's people looking at me right now. They're all right here. Hello. 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 I can't even tie my shoes.
in a really positive mood. I'm all about being positive today because when's the last time you've seen me here in the kitchen? I've gained a couple lbs since you've last seen me here, but anyways, we are gonna be having Takis, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to make this.
Yeah.
This here is
You're supposed to be on a diet. You are supposed to be on a diet. Why?
shut your mouth.
You told me to go out and buy vegetables and you don't eat them. Why are you eating your vegetables?
You're supposed to be eating.
Eat healthy. Eat healthy. Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables.
I'm sending this to the police.
How about you send that to your dietitian? Hey,
I'm garbage.
you need to your dietitian. Your dietitian. Tell you to eat garbage. You're supposed to be eating vegetables.
Excuse me. These are organics.
Yeah, you're supposed to be someone else. You're supposed to be on a jet.
Wait, shut up. Shut your Stop! Stop! You guys, I'm so